So starting off with birds, that is pawn to f4. Yeah, he goes e5, take, book move, inaccuracy, forced move, another tomato. Just focus on development but stockish things, some other shenanigans. And this just gives you the opportunity to, you know, develop with the tempi. Yes, this is the way. So here I wanted to bring out the light bishop, but he doesn't see it. And yes, so this is a big threat. Basically he realizes that his queen is doomed. We just take the queen. Just throw in some other tactic, looking at c7 fork, but he's too intelligente. Yeah, obviously he should have gone for the pawn, but that fork was kind of scary, and also he could take over f3 knight. So maybe that fork was not the option for us then. Let's just save the pawn. Now we go for this. Kick the bishop. Force more trades as we are in lead. Who cares? This is a mistake. Giving way to a dark bishop. Thank you. Wow, this is best move. Not bad. So now we can look for the g4. Oh, g4 check. Yeah, maybe. Cool. We can get the other rook. See you. Check. Bishop. Pinning the knight, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. We get 2 pieces for 1. Good trade. Actually 2 pieces. Never mind. Okay. Free pawn. Pinning yourself. Cool. No issues. Now we just slide the rook to e file. Just claim the open file. He doesn't want to trade, obviously. So this here comes another tactic. Just throw in some candy and see if you can lure him. And that's it. Yeah, so next we can spot the ladder sequence. Yes, that's right. And these are all obviously pre moves. And GG.